What's the meaning of birth partner? Birth partner. Birth partner.
Birth partner. Birth partner. A birth partner refers to a person who supports and assists a woman during the childbirth process. This person can be the expectant mother's spouse, partner, friend, or relative. The birth partner plays an important role in providing physical, emotional, and mental support to the mother-to-be. They may assist with breathing techniques, massage, and help the mother stay calm and focused. Additionally, the birth partner may also advocate for the mother's wishes during the delivery process, communicate with healthcare providers, and provide a source of comfort and encouragement. Having a trusted birth partner present during labor and delivery can help facilitate a positive birthing experience.